The US government and its allies have officially linked the Russian hacking group Cadet Blizzard to the GRU's 161st Specialist Training Center. Since 2020, this group has targeted global infrastructure, focusing on disrupting aid to Ukraine since early 2022. Their attacks have hit critical sectors like government, finance, and healthcare across NATO and beyond. Recently, a 22-year-old Russian was indicted for using the destructive WhisperGate malware against Ukrainian organizations. The U.S. Department of Justice has charged 5 GRU officers with conspiracy to commit cyber intrusions. This is a stark reminder of the ongoing cyber warfare landscape.